Hi there, welcome to PMN Online. In this video, we are going to cover UpPromote Affiliate Marketing Shopify app tutorial for beginners. Affiliate marketing can be a game changer for your online store, and the UpPromote app on Shopify makes it easier than ever to get started. But if you're new to this, it might seem a bit overwhelming. The good news is that this tutorial is designed to guide you step by step, making the whole process straightforward. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how to set up and manage your affiliate program using UpPromote, so you can boost your sales and grow your brand with ease. Let's begin with the very first step, installing the UpPromote app on your Shopify store. Head over to the Shopify App Store and search for the UpPromote app. Once you find it, click the Install button. This is a quick process, and in just a few moments, the app will be ready to use on your store. After the installation, you'll need to create an account. The app will guide you through some onboarding questions. It's crucial to answer these as honestly as possible because they help tailor the app settings to your specific needs. Once that's done, you'll be ready to initiate the quick setup process. The first decision you'll need to make is about the commission structure, which is a vital part of your affiliate program. UpPromote offers tracking via affiliate links and coupons. Affiliate links are customized URLs that help track purchases back to the affiliate who referred them. On the other hand, affiliate coupons are codes that affiliates can share, and when these are used at checkout, they track the sale back to the affiliate. Choosing both methods can maximize your tracking efficiency. Next, you have to decide on the commission type. You can choose a percentage of sales, a flat rate per item, or a flat rate per order. For instance, you might offer a 10% commission on each sale or a fixed amount, like £1 per order. It's important to choose a structure that aligns with your business goals and incentivizes affiliates effectively. Once your commission settings are in place, it's time to select the payout methods for your affiliates. Make sure to offer a variety of payment options to accommodate different preferences. After finalizing these settings, hit save, and your initial setup is complete. Now, let's move on to creating affiliate programs. Navigate to the Programs section in the app. Here, you can create new programs by clicking Add Program. Give your program a name and a description that clearly communicates the benefits to potential affiliates. For example, you might write, "Refer a friend and get 10% off your next purchase." In this section, you can also set up tiered commission structures. This means that as affiliates refer more customers, their commission rate can increase, providing a strong incentive for them to drive more sales. Don't forget to configure the commission calculations by excluding taxes and shipping costs, as these can complicate the payout process. You can also fine-tune advanced settings like discounts for customers and specific commissions for new customers. Once your program is set up, head over to the Affiliates tab. This is where you manage the people who are promoting your products. You can add new affiliates manually by entering their details or importing them in bulk using a CSV file. This feature is handy for keeping your affiliate information organized and accessible. The Referrals section allows you to manually add referrals if, for example, an affiliate helps secure a sale without using a link or coupon code. This is especially useful for high-value orders that may require a more personalized approach. Moving on to the Payouts section, it's important to note that while payments are processed outside the app, you can mark payments as complete within the app for record-keeping purposes. This helps you maintain a clear history of transactions and avoid any disputes. The Motivation section is your toolkit for providing affiliates with promotional resources. You can offer coupon codes, media assets, and even gifts to help them promote your brand more effectively. Consider offering bonuses for affiliates who meet specific targets, as this can significantly boost their engagement and performance. Don't overlook the Outreach section, which is crucial for expanding your affiliate network. You can encourage existing customers to become affiliates by sending them offers after they make a purchase. Additionally, you can list your affiliate program on the UpPromote marketplace to attract potential affiliates who are actively looking for opportunities. Analytics play a critical role in understanding the impact of your affiliate program. The Analytics section of UpPromote provides insights into traffic, sales, clicks, commissions, and referral sources. These metrics are invaluable for assessing the success of your program and identifying areas for improvement. Lastly, let's talk about pricing. While UpPromote offers a free plan, its features are limited. To fully leverage the app's capabilities, consider upgrading to a paid plan that meets your business needs. This investment can pay off significantly as your affiliate program grows. As we wrap up this tutorial, let's recap the key takeaways. You've learned how to install the UpPromote app, set up your affiliate program, manage affiliates, handle payouts, and track performance through analytics. These steps are crucial for creating an efficient and profitable affiliate marketing strategy. Utilizing UpPromote can significantly boost your sales and brand exposure by leveraging the power of affiliate marketing. Affiliates can act as brand ambassadors, spreading the word about your products while earning rewards for their efforts. This mutually beneficial setup is a powerful way to grow your business. Now, let's dive deeper into some practical examples and use cases. Imagine you're a boutique fashion store. By using UpPromote, you can partner with fashion bloggers who can showcase your latest collection on their social media platforms. They can share their affiliate links or unique coupon codes with their followers. When their audience makes a purchase through these links or codes, the bloggers earn a commission. This not only drives traffic to your store but also enhances visibility among a targeted audience. Another real-world example is a tech store collaborating with YouTubers who review gadgets. These influencers can offer exclusive discount codes to their viewers, creating a win-win situation where customers get a deal, the YouTuber earns a commission, and your store sees increased sales. Now, let's discuss some common mistakes to avoid. One frequent error is setting overly high commission rates without assessing your profit margins. It's crucial to balance attracting affiliates with maintaining a sustainable profit. Another pitfall is neglecting communication with your affiliates. Regular updates and feedback are essential to keep them motivated and aligned with your brand message. Troubleshooting issues is a part of the process. If you notice that affiliates are not generating expected sales, delve into the analytics. Check if the links are being used correctly or if there's a need for additional promotional support. Also, ensure your affiliates are properly trained and understand how to market your products effectively. A useful tip for beginners is to start small. Focus on a few affiliates initially, and as you gain confidence and results, gradually expand your network. This approach allows you to refine your strategy without becoming overwhelmed. Lastly, let's clarify some jargon. When we say payout methods, we're referring to how you'll compensate your affiliates. This could be through PayPal, bank transfers, or other payment gateways. It's vital to choose options that are accessible and convenient for your affiliates globally. By leveraging these insights and avoiding common pitfalls, you'll be well on your way to creating a successful affiliate marketing program using UpPromote on Shopify. Happy marketing! That's it for this tutorial on UpPromote Affiliate Marketing Shopify app for beginners. If you found it useful, subscribe to PMN Online and stay tuned for more helpful videos.